S-H-A-M-E, L-E-double-S, dollar sign, who aside, tell me who we smoking next. Gotta help up with a drum, better fall back. Got a big chop rolled up with a all pack. Drum first blood, bitch, I aim for the head 5 times out of 5, 5, 9, even dead. Gonna get mine first, ain't no need for revenge. When I shoot, it's to kill, you would think I'm a vet. Cause my trigger figure itching, I'm itching the killer instinct. Justin Timber, 20 Glock, all of my bullets in sync.
Oh, we know. we know. Austin, what are we doing?
What are we doing?
We're
We're doing the fucking tranny. You know why? Cause your dumbass blew it up.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Oh, shit. That's a ton of oil on that bitch.
Well, you can see halfway got the flex plate undone. You got some thingamabobs that move around. Fucking wires. What the fuck this do? I don't know. Jesus Christ! He's quitting.
Bro, what is happening? Oh my god, dude. This is
So,
My ass is wet. What?
smoke break.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Oh, you got a hammer. Oh! Let's go Tyler. Let's go pills.
Butt-ass nigga.
Jesus Christ. Why is it smoking down here?
Oh, yeah.
I can't find my screwdriver. I can't find the penis.
What is going on here?
So you see, there's 4 of these little studs that have a fucking bolt on them. And slow ass Chad back there can't turn the plate fast enough. So now we're waiting on fucking Chad to turn the plate from the crankshaft.
Leave Chad out of this.
Chad sucks. This is why Chad didn't get paid. Yes! Let's go, Tron! Here, I'll help! Yeah, buddy! Woo!
Oh, there it is.
Little more, Johnny!
Oh,
Little more!
little more. Give it the beans.
Yeah!
Yeah.
You ready, John?
Oh, gosh.
Watch out, man.
Yeah, Bonds Fusher. Here comes a.
Oh, yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah, I got the fucking nut.
I found a nut, guys.
I want a nut. I haven't gotten a
Nut and what?
I haven't gotten a nut in like 3 days. Alright, so now I don't know what to do now.
No. When you put the lube on your cousin, you're not supposed to stick the pecker in.
Alright, let me take all the parts I got accumulating and go put them in the bin. What?
I found a random nut.
That's good.
Pretty rusty.
Okay.
The hell is that pounded on there?
Ty, we're beating to beat the hammer.
Jesus.
Alright, guys. We just got done pulling the flex plate off the truck. It is all disconnected. Now we just gotta pull it out. It's kind of like begging your sister. You pull out when you have to. And just like that, she split in two.
None of your wet ass wood is taking Vince. You know what? We're just gonna let that sit till we get back.
Yeah, that don't get bad. Come on, boys. Let's go.
I'm gonna knock the wood off here so the wood doesn't. Actually, it might fucking live out the.
No, it will light on fire. I've had.
What the fuck is wrong with your car, Vince?
This shit.
Vince, what the fuck is wrong with this car? What is it? You're a fucking jizz bag! Ow, shit!
You gotta get the old McChicken.
Getting my deals. Get your deals, Vince. Look at these. What? Hola, ¿cómo está? Oh, Big Mac.
Sorry, I was trying to think. My brain hurts. I don't know what I want. Ooh, McChicken sounds pretty good. Give me a McChicken.